Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with the Jumyee pull-out trash can under cabinet, designed to keep your kitchen tidy and efficient. This innovative under-sink organizer kit is perfect for kitchens with limited space, allowing you to discreetly store your trash can while maximizing valuable kitchen real estate. Featuring a smooth and quiet soft close mechanism, this pull-out system ensures a noise-free experience, so you never have to worry about the trash can tipping over when closing the cabinet door. Constructed from heavy-duty structural steel with advanced nano-painting technology, this organizer is built to resist corrosion and rust, ensuring long-lasting durability. The kit fits a minimum cabinet opening of 12 inches wide by 18 inches deep and accommodates trash cans ranging from 28 to 40 quarts, making it versatile for various kitchen setups. Installation is a breeze with detailed instructions and a complete door mounting kit, allowing you to transform your trash can into a convenient pull-out drawer. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and more, this under-sink pull-out system helps maintain order and cleanliness in any space, but remember, the garbage can itself is not included, so measure your cabinet door thickness to ensure a perfect fit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.